Do you believe a little lightbox can grow your business and attract more customers? What's up, homie? This is Tony. Today, let me show you something special. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get latest tips and tricks for growing your business. See this lightbox with New York pattern. Acrylic box with strong sense of fashion. Looks so special, right? We also have other patterns. You can customize it freely. It can be powered by a power bank or batteries. UV surface and light from both the front and the side. It is a perfect choice for outdoor using. One more thing, we can make water holes and waterproof lights so that you don't need to worry about the waterproof problem. No matter what your business is, I believe lcsign can help you, because not every sign factory will have such a wealth of exhibition experience and such a complete supply chain. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit the like button and comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and follow lcsign.